InterDesign Studio presents mixed-use residential hub. The core concept of this project is to explore self-sustaining adaptive reuse by reimagining the design of mixed-use residential space. Through the creative design process, we endeavor to discover routes of community engagement to encourage interaction, to provide better living, working, learning, and health outcomes. Certain strategies have been implemented derived from the context. In addition, design principles such as community, affordability, adaptability, sustainability, and identity are carefully examined and implemented throughout the project. Built upon the groundwork of an existing culturally significant 12 Stack Street is located in Fremantle. A mixed-use self-sustaining space for the locals is proposed. With the current warehouse incomplete boat structure and existing materials, the site holds opportunities for a new yet familiar experience. This project aims to architecturally bind these extraordinary characteristics and encourage community interaction through innovation and value engineering. Likewise, the project proposal to reimagining the mixed-use space presents an inviting opportunity that will magnate social, cultural, and economical change. As demonstrated from the drawing, the site is divided into 3 zones. The commercial space, which is an area of high stimulus and entry point through the warehouse, a veggie patch that acts as a transitional space, and a residential private space that is considered to be of low stimulus. The placement of spaces in the current warehouse allows for a smooth click and collect service for both the convenience store as well as the retail tenancy, considering the post-COVID design process. After a rigorous macro and micro site analysis, the decision to maintain the boat structure is implemented as a cafe or an outdoor seating area, which enhances the unique character of place, thus attracting more clientele, leading to an overall benefit to the community. On the other hand, the proposal for the development of residential dwelling is separated by a veggie garden that was earlier discussed, which will generate produce for the restaurant and for the residents, thus an incentive to maintain the landscape. Research and learning were a key process to the development of off-site construction, and we were able to interrogate the logistics, exploring constraints and finding innovative solutions to mitigate them through the structure, materiality, and form, while still abiding with the regulatory standards and requirements. The residential development is a 4-story high consisting of a total of 21 modules in total, excluding services and stairs. The module size for the inhabitable residence space are revised and maintained to only 2 sizes for practical reasons, with a structural system that allows flexibility and fast construction and deconstruction to take place, yet offer a unique contemporary experience. Hypothetically, we have worked on an efficient construction program that would allow the project to be executed and completed in 202 days. The scheduling of the module construction replicates the just-in-time inventory management. These modules on the upper floors are constructed once the lower floor modules are ready to deliver. This also mimics the assembly line found in a vehicle production. Locating a communal space separate for the residents was a key objective to achieve interaction and empowerment, thus developing a social bond amongst the residents. The orientation and operability of certain facades allow for interconnectivity in space, encouraging community interaction as well as passive design strategy, maintaining thermal comfort in space. The proposed core material consists of timber and steel columns, work which proved to be highly reusable, thus providing an overall environmentally sustainable and circular economy design. This design champions prefabrication and utilizes innovative technology that inspires the preconceived ideas about off-site construction by creating environmentally and socially compelling design. Prefabricated buildings offer a unique opportunity to understand design priorities in green building. The graphs represent the impact of materials at various scales on the environment. The material analysis carried out was for the proposal of the mixed use on 12 Stack Street It can be determined that there is a significant change in how much materials affect the environment. Comparing both the results obtained, it is arguably clear that using timber as a core and primary material reduced the impact by a significant 42.74%. Therefore, timber is maintained to be primary material to achieve sustainable design outcome as well as deliver design to user satisfaction. Overall, the approach towards modular architecture and offsite construction for this project has proven to be immaculate while offering the ability to adapt to any context due to the range of possibilities and flexibilities.